Uklur uting sana do kulong kuma kat badang jam kisnem kaleng kor nang sompra ulo o ubar penya kari userdap o kon henyo trapialang mensiam osnar kajuan.
Okay, hello Meghalayan Khasi people, kumnok long paralog, your African boy back again, Gabs Gabi guys. And today we have one suggested song here by the title TIROT SING IBAJANAI RIPNAR. This song is dedicated, I think, for the Independent Day of India, guys. So which was recently celebrated already, 78. Yeah, 78 Independent Day. So congrats India and happy Independence Day. So today we are going to see one song here which is composed by Royal B. Sutun. So the Alpha English Higher Secondary School, Nongpo. Okay, we are going to check it out. So peace out to all my Khasi people, Meghalaya love from Africa. Don't forget subscribe and let's enjoy this song from Khasi. TIROT SING, TIROT SING. Who is TIROT?
Ey banya serim ya TIROT sing,
TIROT sing.
ey banya serim ya TIROT sing.
Let's sing together.
Uprat kalentina do kulong kuma bagi kun ki hajar kenlat pamna kisya ya jing yap salya utur kut katma bajat benriu kan roy kan pardo mental Shanu kirang dajit Shanu kirang pura Syae kin semyaki Kumuh TIROT sing Lajuat ban sem Lajuat ban sem mentah Lentina do kulong kuma bagi kun ki hajar kenlat homna kisya ya jing yap salya utur kun katma bajat benriu kan roy kan pardo mentah Shanu kirang dajit Shanu kirang pura Syae kin semyaki Kumuh TIROT sing Lajuat ban sem Lajuat ban sem mentah uting sana do kulong kuma kat badang jam kisnem kaleng kor nang sompra ulo o ubar penya kari userdap o kon henyo trapialang mensiam osnar kajuan Shanu kirang dajit Shanu kirang pura Syae kin semyaki Kumuh TIROT sing Lajuat ban sem Lajuat ban sem mentah Saya ingin semyaki kumuh tirot sing lajuat ban sem lajuat ban sem mentah kumuh tirot sing lajuat ban sem mentah
Wow, wow, wow. If it is a live song, then this girl, she's really so great in singing. Like the sound is so great, guys. And I also have one doubt, guys. Like this song, is it like a Indian independent song sung in Khasi language, or it is a song dedicated for the TIROT Sing? Also, I want to know who is TIROT Sing, because it's written here, and in the song also she keep on mentioning T-Road. I want to know more about this guy. I didn't search in Google, guys, but let me know. I will be searching more later, guys. Who is T-Road Sing? I think maybe someone great to the Khasi Meghalayan people, guys. Other than this, it was so amazing seeing energy. Like this song, I think is dedicated to the country, to the India in general, guys, by the Khasi people, which is something so lovely, guys. Yeah, that is a great spirit. Wishing you all the best, Khasi people, India in general, guys. Love from Africa and Upra. Yes, this is how they used to sing it. Yes, thank you so much. Don't forget subscribe. Till next time.